Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong post ni Tio Moreno na grabing katawa. Sabi lang niya, ha 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 ha. Isinare lang niya ang post ng GMA News 1 hour ago. Tungkol ito sa policy ni General Torre. Yung maganda namang policy, yung 5 minutes response na dapat nandiyan na yung police. Okay, ito. 8 police chiefs in Metro Manila were removed from their post for failure to implement the 5 minutes response time policy according to June Veneracion Report on Super Radio DZBB. Okay, pasahin natin yung mga article mamaya. Ito lang mga, magbasa lang ako sandali sa mga comments. Neng Latayada, Binoang 5 minutes. Jomar Di Corion, 5 hours responded. Mary Ann Junida, Pasiklab. Ano pa? Pasiklab. Joan Narbasa, nabuang na. Joko Santua, si Tori na lang, nabilin, ana pohon. Dennis Durana Bulataw, I saw it coming. 5 minutes goal seem to be unrealistic and impossible. Here in the US, it's always more than 5 minutes for an on-site response from first responders after calling 911. Imagine the distance and travel time alone from the nearest police to the crime scene of the incident. Okay, basahin lang muna natin yung article. Napakagandang in fairness, gustong mabilis, which is good. Kaya lang, let's check with reality. Metro Manila yan, traffic, grabe. So, I don't know bakit itong 8 police chiefs, kung sinadya ba nila na wag nang implement dahil imposible, pahalang marilib sila. I don't know. Ito na yung article ng GMA News. 8 police chiefs removed for failure to published June 16. Yan lang. 8 police chiefs in Metro Manila were removed from their post for failure to implement the 5 minutes response team policy, according to June Veneracion Report on Super Radio DZBB. PNP Chief Police General Nicolas de Torre said in an interview with reporters that the police officials refused to comply with the policy. Nakaka-alarma ito. Mamaya pag refuse to comply. The cops were stationed ito yung mga police chiefs, in Navotas, Caloocan, Valenzuela, Mandaluyong, Marikina, San Juan, Parañaque, and Makati, according to PNP spokesperson Brigadier General Jane Pajardo. Meanwhile, Torre said more police officials are expected to be removed from their posts, including provincial directors in Central Visayas. Ano kaya mangyari dito? Torre added there are already replacement lined up for the removed officials. The PNP previously said that the 5 minutes response time strategy serves as a major departure from traditional present-based policing, making the police presence a more mobile, proactive, and people-centered approach. The program shall also ensure that calls for help are answered swiftly, professionally, at any hour. Ulitin natin, maganda yung adhikain ni General Torre. No question about it. Ang tanong lang dyan is, kumusta ang resources to implement it? Patrol cars. Paano yung mga maliliit na munisipyo na nag-iisa lang ang patrol car, tapos sabay-sabay yung magtawag? Sa Metro Manila, paano yung traffic? Ang daming factors to be involved Kaya, kung tama itong nabasa ko refuse to comply, ibig sabihin, yung mga police chiefs, nakita na nila na hindi ulitin ko, PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III said in an interview with reporters that the police officials refused to comply with the policy. So, 8 police chiefs yan, mga rangko siguro ito, mga lieutenant colonel. O colonel kaya. So, senior officers na. Hindi kaya sign of protest ito? So, sana naman, ulitin ko magandang adhikain ito na kung maipatupad, matutuwa ang taong bayan. Ang panalo nito, ang taong bayan. Kailangan kawawa naman itong mga police chiefs. But anyway, hindi ko alam ang dahilan ng 8 police chiefs na ayaw sumunod. Siguro, nakita nila na itong nag-comment, Dennis Bulataw sa US Hindi daw talaga sufficiente yung 5 minutes response. Okay. Evelyn Lerida. Unsay 5 minutes si Tore ang pasulayon anang 5 minutes yabang na unsay Spider-Man? Igang Diaz. PNP is planning to recruit Grab drivers to beat the time and drive through PNP soon to open. Rosalie Pardo, remove after 3 minutes, reinstated. Remove after 3 months, reinstated. Toby Rosales, wala pa na activate ang teleportation jutsu at pwede teleportation. Casimiro Bukayo, lol, basin excuse run na niya, unya matanggal tong dinamutuo sa iya. Zani Kayas, yari ka sa US man gani, expected time of arrival is 15 minutes with all equipments pa na. Samantalang dire, ambot na lang. Yes, ako, 10 minutes, happy na ako sa 10 minutes Kailang 5 minutes, I don't know. Sana maipatupad nila, but kung alanganin, kawawa itong mga police chiefs na nasisibak. Okay, mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig dahil ang sweldo po natin is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng